Hi parents, the final strategy that I want to share with you is multiplying 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. In 4th grade, we are not required to have the standard algorithm completely mastered. So what we use is something called partial product. Partial product pulls out the value of each digit in the number so that kids can see exactly what they're multiplying. So if this looks a little confusing to you, I think after you do it a few times with your student, you're going to see that it is truly a really great strategy to help them see what they're doing. Okay, so partial product, you're going to start in the ones place on the bottom, and you're going to multiply that 4 by the value of each of those, and you're going to put that multiplication out here to the side so that students can see exactly what it is they're multiplying. So I'm going to start with 4 times 5. And students have to recognize that I'm still multiplying 4, but this time I'm multiplying it by the value of the 3. Not just 3, but its value. It's in the tens place, so I'm going to be multiplying 4 times 30. I'm done with that 4. So now I'm going to be multiplying the value of this 2. It's not just a 2, it's in the tens place, so its value is 20. I'm going to multiply 20 times 5. And I'm going to multiply 20 times 30. Four times 5 is 20. That's 120. That's 100 and 600. One thing you want to make sure you're doing with your students, that a lot of mistakes that I do see, is they're not making sure their values are lined up. So then it just becomes a simple mathematical error where they're adding digits in different places. So just make sure that you remind them to do that. I'm going to do one more for you guys as practice. Let's do 10 times 42. Starting again with my ones place in the bottom number. It doesn't really matter where you start at, but just for having a system in place, I always have them start with the ones place on the bottom number. We'll have 2 times 0, 2 times the value of the 1, which is 10. I'm done with the 2. Now I'm going to multiply the value of the 4. That's 40 times 0 and 40 times 10. It gives me 0, 20, 0, 400. And that gives you 420. All right, thank you.